In this video, we're going to go over amplifier calibration. I'll be calibrating a Listen SC amp using an audio connect. Specific wiring diagrams for different use cases are provided in the SoundCheck manual. To start, my audio connect has been plugged into my PC. I will then take line output 1 of my audio connect and plug it into line in of my amp. The output of my amp then goes back into line 1 of the audio connect. Now we'll open up SoundCheck and look at Setup Hardware. Because I'm using an audio connect, I can turn on auto mode and it will automatically populate the input and outputs of my device. I'll then go to Offline, Message, Audio Connect. We'll choose the device ID of my audio connect and configure Listen hardware. We'll read the settings and we can see that the mic bias was on and channel 1 was set to mic. What we want is channel 1 to use the line input, so we'll set that to line, turn the gain off, and apply. We'll apply this step, and now we're good to run the calibration. We'll go to Setup, Calibration, and on the Output tab, we'll select Amp Channel 1. Our hardware output is output 1 of the audio connect. We'll choose an SC amp and then update with the serial number of this specific device. Here in Calibration Sequence, we'll select Amplifier Calibration. There's also an input signal path necessary to run this calibration. We're going to use Direct In 1. Direct In 1 is a special Unity Cal-only calibration sequence. We'll go to the Input tab and select Hardware Input Channel 1. We're now ready to run calibration. First, it says connect the selected output channel to the amplifier's input. Our selected output channel is output 1. We plug that into the amplifier's input. And the amplifier's input directly into the selected input channel, which is Direct In 1. We'll then press Enter to begin. A sweep is run from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The response of the amplifier is then displayed on a graph, as well as the gain and the response margin limits. This amplifier is well within the limits, so calibration passes. We hit Enter here and we're all set. The sensitivity is updated with the values, calibration corrections, and all we need to do is hit Save. The amplifier calibration is complete.